Today we will see the non-inverting amplifier. Sometimes we have a desire to that the phase of the output signal should be equal with the input signal. Then the op-amp will be connected like this. Here the op-amp circuit is here 741 and the non-inverting terminal will be supplied. The input will be supplied to the non-inverting terminal, that means plus, and RF, the feedback resistor, will be connected here, and the input resistance Rin will be here, and the input resistance will be grounded. The negative point will be here grounded to make the circuit complete. Here the output of the signal or the output signal will be in phase with the input signal. As we know that the input side of the op-amp circuit has infinite resistance. So the current flowing in the input resistance, that means Rin, that means In will be equal with the current flowing in the RF circuit, that means If. Since the input resistance is very high, so no current will flow here. So here If will be equal with II. When we will make this, that means when we will see IF signal will be V out minus V in whole divided by RF, and the input signal, input current II will be V in minus 0 divided by Ri. When we will simplify this, then we will get V out minus V in whole into Ri, V in into RF. Here we will simplify V out Ri minus V in Ri is equal to V in RF. Then V out RF is equal to V in Ri plus V in RF. Then V out RF equal to, we will take the V in as common, and here Ri plus RF will be there. Then we will again simplify, that means V out by V in, we will take V out by V in is equal to RF plus Ri whole divided by RF. This V out by V in is nothing but the gain, that means AV is equal to, here we will get RF by RF plus Ri by RF. It implies that voltage gain is equal to 1 plus RF by Rin.